Host. Host. A host is someone who takes care of his or her guests. The host gives out cupcakes at her party. Now you say host. Host. Scold. Scold. When you scold someone, you speak in an angry way. I scold Buster for chewing on my sneaker. Now you say scold. Scold. Rude. Rude. When you are rude, you show bad manners. It is rude to tell secrets. Now you say rude. Rude. Serious. Serious. When you are serious, you are not joking. I am serious while I paint my model airplane. Now you say serious. Serious. Dart. Dart. To dart means to run or move quickly. Two squirrels dart up the tree. Now you say dart. Dart. Sly. Sly. Sly means clever or sneaky. The sly fox tiptoed up to the chicken. Now you say sly. Sly. Fog. Fog. Fog is a thick mist of water that is close to the ground. The fog rolled under the bridge. Now you say fog. Fog. Gulp. Gulp. To gulp means to quickly swallow a large amount of air or liquid. I gulp water when I'm thirsty. Now you say gulp. Gulp. Weary. Weary. When you are weary, you are very tired. Dad carried my weary brother to the car after the game. Now you say weary. Weary. Upset. Upset. When you are upset, you are unhappy or angry. The girl was upset that she lost her balloon. Now you say upset. Upset.